A next-generation aircraft known as the F-47 is quietly taking shape, and it's unlike anything seen before. This isn't just a faster jet. It represents a complete shift in how aerial systems are designed, connected, and controlled. Built under a highly advanced program, it blends AI, extended range, and autonomous teamwork into one platform. So, what exactly is being developed? How is it possible? And why could this redefine the future of flight? The story of the F-47 begins in a very different way compared to previous aircraft developments. There was no dramatic reveal, no public rollout, and no global showcase. Instead, it surfaced through small but meaningful confirmations, technical hints, and carefully worded statements. And that alone tells you something important. This project is being built with a completely different mindset. At the center of this story is the Next Generation Air Dominance Initiative. Unlike earlier programs that focused on building a single, highly refined aircraft, this one is built around the idea of continuous evolution. The aircraft, often referred to as the F-47, is just one piece of a much larger system designed to adapt over time rather than remain fixed. One of the most important confirmations came when the United States Air Force revealed that a full-scale demonstrator had already flown. This wasn't a concept on paper. It was a real aircraft testing real technologies. That moment quietly shifted the conversation because it meant the future being discussed is already in motion. What makes this approach unique is its modular design philosophy. Instead of building something that stays the same for decades, engineers are creating a platform that can evolve quickly. New sensors, updated software, and improved systems can be integrated without redesigning the entire structure. It's closer to how modern technology works: upgradable, adaptable, and always improving. If you compare that to older platforms like the F-22 Raptor, the difference becomes clear. Those aircraft were revolutionary in their time, but updating them required complex, time-consuming changes. The F-47 concept flips that model entirely, focusing on flexibility from the very beginning. This matters because the environment it's designed for is constantly changing. New technologies are emerging at a rapid pace, and staying ahead requires the ability to adapt quickly. A fixed design simply can't keep up. By building adaptability into the core of the system, the F-47 is designed to remain relevant far longer than traditional approaches. And as this idea of a constantly evolving platform becomes clearer, it naturally leads to an even bigger shift, because the real transformation isn't just in how the aircraft is built, but in how it operates as part of something much larger. Now imagine stepping into the cockpit of this aircraft, not to control a single machine, but to oversee an entire network working together in real time. That's where the F-47 concept becomes truly fascinating. It's not just about what the aircraft can do on its own, but how it connects with other systems to create something far more capable. This idea is already being explored through advanced programs supported by organizations like DARPA. These efforts are focused on developing autonomous aircraft that can operate alongside a central platform. Often described as collaborative combat aircraft, these systems act like intelligent partners, each designed for a specific role. Think of them as extensions of the main aircraft. Some may gather information, others may enhance sensing capabilities, and others may carry additional tools. The key point is that they are all connected, sharing data and working together as one coordinated system. The F-47 becomes the central node that brings everything together. But coordinating multiple systems in real time is not something a human can do alone. This is where artificial intelligence plays a crucial role. Modern AI systems are capable of processing enormous amounts of data from multiple sources, combining it into a clear and actionable picture. Instead of overwhelming the pilot, the system simplifies complexity and highlights what matters most. This changes the role of the pilot entirely. Instead of focusing on individual controls and inputs, the pilot becomes a decision maker at a higher level, guiding the overall operation while the system handles the details. It's a shift from direct control to strategic coordination, and it allows for faster, more efficient responses. The real power of this approach lies in how everything works together. When multiple systems operate as a unified network, their combined capability becomes far greater than any single platform. The aircraft, its autonomous partners, and the AI-driven processing all contribute to a system that adapts and responds in real time. And once you start thinking in terms of connected systems rather than individual machines, the bigger picture becomes impossible to ignore, because this approach doesn't just improve performance, it reshapes how aerial systems function at a fundamental level. As the F-47 concept continues to take shape, it begins to signal something much larger than a single technological advancement. It reflects a broader shift in how advanced systems are designed, deployed, and understood on a global scale. One of the clearest indicators of this shift is its focus on range and endurance. Unlike earlier designs that relied heavily on nearby support, this aircraft is being developed to operate across vast distances. This is especially important in regions where the operational space spans thousands of miles, requiring systems that can remain effective without constant assistance. Extended range is not just a feature, it's a necessity for the environments this platform is expected to operate in. However, this level of capability comes with a high cost. Advanced systems like this are expected to be far more expensive than previous platforms, such as the F-35 Lightning II. This creates an interesting challenge. How do you balance advanced capability with practical deployment? The answer appears to lie in the network approach discussed earlier. If relying on large numbers of identical aircraft, the strategy shifts towards smaller numbers of highly capable platforms supported by autonomous systems. This creates a more efficient structure, where each element plays a specific role within a connected network. It's not about quantity. It's about how effectively each component contributes to the whole. At the same time, similar ideas are being explored around the world. Different countries are investing in advanced technologies that emphasize connectivity, autonomy, and adaptability. This means the F-47 is part of a much larger trend, where the focus is shifting away from individual platforms and toward integrated systems. This moment is so important, not just the technology itself, but what it represents. The transition toward intelligent, connected systems is already underway. The F-47 is one of the clearest examples of how that transformation is unfolding, and how it could shape the future of flight for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.